Hello guys and welcome to my new video. Today running under, it's not a bridge, above it are driving cars. So running today because it's rain, I run under this so-called bridge. Today's topic is how to spot demonic entities without even talking to them. So you know with who you can make friends and which people you can leave behind, and don't even talk to them or shaking hands or say hello. So first is the smell. The smell is always the first thing you can notice without talking to a person. For example, bad fragrance, cheap fragrance, or the smell after smoking, or the smell of like bad clothes, or just bad smell of the body of the person. This says that you can leave the person behind and just don't talk to her, just move on. The second thing is can't hold still. They're just moving every single second, like they can keep calm. They cannot keep calm. For example, if you sit near a person or you look at a person, everybody's sitting like still, not moving, and this person is like moving around. And I don't mean like this sickness of children which are not able to sit still. I mean like full-grown people which like always watching something is happening, or can't be quiet or something like that, always talking super shit and always moving around. Normal people are just calm, they walk around, maybe left, right, but don't moving around and don't feel scared every day. The third, people who are running after you. It sounds stupid, but to me it happened a lot of times that people just run after me. I just walk around the street, like feel maybe a little bit sleepy, don't think about anything, just walk around, and I see just a guy walking behind me and he's really walking behind me, or a girl or a woman, they're just running behind me. They just follow me. You think so, why they follow me? Why should a normal human being follow you? They have their shit to do. So this is the third thing. Demonic entities that just follow you and can't just leave you alone. The fourth thing, addictions. The first addiction which you can spot without even ask a person about their addiction is overweight. Why should a person become overweight? There are demons behind it. This person cannot stop eating. This person always eating, then become fat. These are demonic entities, like I think. This is the first addiction. Second addiction is like legal drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, marijuana, like weed, or illegal drugs even, which I don't want to mention in this video. These are also demonic entities, and if you see the person who is doing it, you can just leave the person behind, move on, don't shake hands, don't talk, blah blah blah. So this is the third. And the fourth, there's actually no fourth, but that's all for today. The fourth is maybe the person don't believe in Jesus Christ. Yes, this could be the fourth. But in general, these three things you can just keep in mind. So yes, enjoy guys.